Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and I have a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on for you. If you'd like to see what I got in this month's box, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started on this month's Stitch Fix. Now, the last few months, or not necessarily months, I don't get them monthly, I get them on demand as I want. The last few fixes have been okay. I just kind of feel like the fit hasn't been right, and like I'm not sure exactly where it's going to arrive. It's my communication and what I need and things like that. So this month I really did ask for work appropriate stuff, and when I say work appropriate, that is so different for everybody, right? So I wanted to be really clear with my stylist. So I told her I'm a special education teacher. I work with children 3 through 5. So I need stuff that's going to be comfortable, that's washable, that's easy to put on, that I'm in the sandbox on the floor running around. But I also want them to be nice enough that if I have a meeting with a parent that afternoon or in the morning, or I have to meet with people or tour new families, that I still look professional. And that's just kind of what I usually find. And so it's kind of just like that durable, nice stuff that I can wear. I can wear jeans, but obviously don't wear like holy jeans and things like that. Nice dark jeans, light jeans. I wear jeans on an everyday basis. And a nice shirt, call it a day. So that was my request. So I decided to be definitely more specific in that factor. So I'm hoping that my stylist kind of got the idea and we have some wins. So let's check it out. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, $20 a month styling subscription. Your stylist will choose 5 items. You can share as much or as little information as you want with them. You fill out a style profile to say what you like, your sizes, your shape, all of that fun stuff. You get 5 items. You get the luxury to try them on at your house and then send whatever you don't want back. They give you an envelope to send it back. Makes it easy peasy. If you want any more information, I'll leave it down below. But let's get into this month's box. So let's see what the letter says. So if you're not familiar with my unboxings, I go through each piece, give you my first impression, and then I do a try on. So it says, "Hi Sarah, I'm thrilled to be your partner in style for this month's fix." It's Liz. It's not Cassandra. So, new stylist. So let's see. I know broad friendly tops and easy wash care are important. So yes, I want broad friendly tops, right? Something that I can easily wear a bra with. Easy wash care, she got that. So I'm sure to include pieces that work for that. The pink clover tie front top adds style to a traditional cut, while the pattern play of stripes and florals give it a flirty and fun vibe. The Faith and Zoe Abigail V-neck blouse has an abstract print that is a Stitch Fix exclusive. So I hope I'm not getting out of focus when I'm reading this. So that is good. I wasn't sure if you can wear off the shoulder tops in the classroom, but I had to send the Q&A embroidered style as well as the pink clover with the botanical print and so much style. I don't know if there's any other teachers out there, but definitely off the shoulder is not something that I would wear to work ever. Let me know if this style is okay for work or if you prefer them for after work adventures. Mix and match any of these tops with the STS blue skinny jeans and a true blue indigo wash. 26 inseam, that should be just right for you. So let's see, it sounds like it could be promising. Let's see. Off the shoulder for sure, no. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the Faith and Zoe, or Faith and Zoe, however that person pronounces it. It's the Abigail V-neck blouse. It is $58. So while it's pretty, it's probably not the perfect shirt to wear with 3 to 5-year-olds with the white. I don't tend to wear a lot of white just because of that. I kind of stick with colorful things, but a little bit more on the darker tone because, yeah, if you work with any children under 5, you kind of know, but this is really pretty. It could look really good with jeans. Next up is the pink clover top. It's the May Place tie front top, and it is $40. Now this could be cute. It's just a high neck, ties at the bottom. It's a little bit longer, I think, in the back. No, is it? Let's see. Yes, it is a little bit longer in the back. This is kind of more of a pattern that I could see myself wearing, that if you get stuff on it, it'd be easy to wash, easy to care for, and you couldn't really tell. So that could work. Yeah, this, not teacher appropriate, not bra friendly. So this is probably a no, unless it looks really cute. I'm not just a big fan of off the shoulder styles for myself anyway, just because I feel like it makes me look broader through here, and I never like to look broader in the area. And then it looks like another off the shoulder. Oh, I'm really sorry. So this is the, let's see, this is the Q&A Casella embroidered off the shoulder top, and it's $58. And this is Pink Clover Salerno off the shoulder body suit, and it's $42. There's just no way. This is just like a total no-go, not my style, nada, no. Okay, and then we have the blue jeans, cute button-up. Oh, they're super high-rise, I think. They could be cute. I've been really wanting a pair of button-ups, but the distressing is really cute, and I have a lot of distressed jeans. I do like the raw hem, but I'm not sure that I don't wear ripped jeans to work. I just don't feel like it's appropriate or professional. But they're really cute. I could like them. Those are the STS Blue Helena button-up skinny jean, and they are $59. So everything was moderately priced, but it wasn't quite the work appropriate that I was thinking. I felt like I was really clear and really like, I'm on the floor, I do potty training, like I have behaviors, children are kicking and biting, and I'm running, like those are the things I do. And so that could be really hard for some people to kind of understand, but I think that it was a good shot, but definitely like off the shoulders, like not even close to what I could wear to work, and the jeans. So for me, like that work appropriate is very different from other people's work appropriate, so I don't necessarily think that they're going to get it right off the bat, because again, it's very specific. Most people don't have a job like I do. Even teachers and like in elementary school, they probably have a little bit more leeway in their business attire. I get away with a lot more casual stuff because again, it's children 3 through 5 with special needs. So I really do need stuff that's comfortable and looks nice, because a lot of times after I've been running around with kids for, you know, 6 hours, I may have a 3-hour IEP meeting to go to, or like a staff meeting or a district meeting. So it's a hard balance, and so I don't expect any stylist to get it right the first time, but again, it's always a work in progress. So let's see how these things fit. Okay, so here's the first shirt. It's cute. Definitely probably not something I'd wear to work just because of the color. But it could be really cute with jeans. It's a really good fit. Yeah, I definitely like it better on than I did to begin with, so we'll see. But again, the color is just a little bit too white. Okay, so here's this shirt. I actually really like this one a little bit more than I thought. Let's see, let me pan you down. Just a cute tie. It's a little bit longer in the back, which I like, and I like that it's kind of like loose fitting. It'd be really comfortable getting down on the floor and not showing too much. So yeah, I like this one. Okay, so here's the off the shoulder top again. Off the shoulders are just really not my thing. I just don't think for my body shape they're just that great. They just look me broader here. I actually need to specify no off the shoulder shirts, because I think I have a few in my closet. But again, they're very specific to my body type, and I think a lot of times when there's too much extra frill and stuff like that, I just look bigger here, which I just never try to accentuate this area. So next one, this top. Ugh. I like can't even. I'm so hot right now. I really don't like this pattern that much. It's cute and it could be flattering. I have the bodysuit over my leggings because that's the way I'm rolling right now. I also have a tank top underneath. This style of off the shoulder I can totally get on board with because it doesn't have a ruffle and I feel like it's definitely more slimming. I'm not a fan of it in the bodysuit type. I like tucking things in, but like I like things hanging out the back and tucking in the front. And the fact that I told her also that we're going into like the hottest months of the year, so I can't even like think, like right now I'm like dying of sweat, just getting things off and on, and I don't have my fan on because I'm filming, dying. Like look, this sweat isn't a highlighter, it is so hot in here. And typically when I go back to work, September, October, even into November are really, really warm, so I don't even think about long sleeve stuff until like November in the evening. So that's another thing. Okay, so here are the jeans. I don't love them. The fit in the leg is just not for me. So as you can kind of see, the color is okay. The end almost just looks too cut off for me, just like, and they're okay. I've had more comfortable jeans through Stitch Fix, but yeah, they're okay. So overall, it was an okay fix. I don't think I got as many pieces I'd like to get the work year started, but there's always time. So what I'm thinking of doing is just kind of giving some feedback and a little bit more communication about what I'm really, really looking for, what I liked, and things like that. And that some of that stuff is just not appropriate for work, because I think she was like, is that okay? And like that, for me, it's not. And then maybe get another box in the next few weeks. So I love that I do it kind of on demand so that I can get them whenever I feel like it. I don't have to wait another month. So I'm gonna send this back and get a new one and do it again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.